Hello everyone. Today I will be discuss how to generate e-statement in Axis Mobile in Axis Bank, and simply inside my mobile I am using here Axis Mobile app. Just click this one app, and after open this app showing here login button, just click this one button and put here MPIN, and after that click here account balance account, and just click here account and click here, and showing here two option, view statement, email statement. Click here email statement. Suppose that click here email statement, and we can see that here showing here date. Suppose that I want to select date previous 6 month like that, and just click here submit and confirm, and an email will be sent your registered email ID with your request statement. Yeah, and now we can check my mailbox. I hope I got mail statement mail from Axis Bank side, and here we can see that here statements Axis Bank. Just click this one Axis Bank statement mail I got, and showing here PDF format, and we can download this format and check my statement, and we can share anyone this statement. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.